All right, let's break this all the way down and keep it real. Rockstar Games, you've been out here playing us like a scratched-up record for over a decade. You've been promising GTA 6 like it's the holy grail, while all we've been getting is the same dusty GTA 5 with a fresh coat of overpriced paint. Let's go deep, no breaks, because we're not selling dreams over here. We're roasting for free, and this fire is hotter than anything you've dropped since 2013. Rockstar's endless delays, the ultimate scam. It's been 10 years, Rockstar. A whole decade. Y'all have had more delays than an airport during a snowstorm. Oh, GTA 6 is coming soon. Coming soon? Bro, Half-Life 3 has a better chance of dropping first. Meanwhile, we're stuck in Los Santos, a city so old it probably qualifies for Social Security. Every year, you dangle that GTA 6 carrot like we're a bunch of starving rabbits, but the truth is, y'all don't have GTA 6. You've just been hustling us with shark cards and expanded editions of GTA 5. At this point, the only expansion we're seeing is your bank account. GTA 5. The zombie that won't die. Let's talk about GTA 5, the game that refuses to die. Rockstar's out here like, it's the best-selling game of all time. Yeah, because you keep re-releasing it like it's a damn Marvel movie. PS3, PS4, PS5, Xbox, PC. You've put this game on so many platforms it's starting to feel like a virus. Every time we think it's done, you slap on some new graphics, throw in another flying car, and call it a day. Bro, we played GTA 5 so much, we can probably navigate Los Santos blindfolded. Enough is enough. It's time to bury this zombie and move on. Shark cards, Rockstar's cash grab. And don't even get me started on shark cards. Buy $20 worth of fake money, so you can afford a flying car that costs $40 million GTA bucks. Y'all turn GTA Online into a rich man's playground where billionaires on oppressors terrorize the broke players who can't even afford ammo. Rockstar, you're out here selling digital IOUs like you're the Bank of Los Santos. Meanwhile, your players are out here grinding heists for hours, only to get crumbs while you rake in billions. Shark cards aren't just a cash grab. They're a slap in the face to everyone who's stuck with you. GTA Online, the circus of chaos. Y'all turn GTA Online into a damn cartoon. Flying bikes, weaponized cars, golden yachts. It's like a billionaire's version of Mario Kart. Free roam isn't even fun anymore. It's just a war zone where griefers with oppressors blow up anyone trying to grind. Meanwhile, Rockstar's sitting back like, oh, but we gave you heists. Yeah, heists that barely pay enough to cover a tank of gas. Y'all built a whole world and then ruined it with overpriced nonsense and pointless DLCs. GTA 6, the pipe dream. And then there's GTA 6. Rockstar's been talking about this game like it's the second coming of gaming, but where is it? All we've seen are leaks, rumors, and vague promises. We're working on it. Bro, you've been working on it longer than Trevor's been wearing that funky checkerboard shirt. At this point, GTA 6 is just a bedtime story you tell investors to keep them quiet. Y'all are out here selling dreams, but we're not buying anymore. Everyone's better off watching this roast. Let's be real. Instead of grinding for overpriced shark cards or waiting for GTA 6 to drop in the year 2099, everyone's better off over here watching me roast y'all for free. We're not selling dreams on this channel. We're serving truth straight up. Rockstar's out here milking the same cow, but over here, we're flipping the script, calling out the BS, and laughing about it because at least the jokes are free. Final thoughts. Rockstar, it's time to deliver. Rockstar, y'all went from being legends to hustlers. You gave us GTA 5, one of the greatest games ever, but then you got greedy. Instead of innovating, you've been recycling the same product, selling fake money, and promising a game that feels more mythical than Bigfoot. It's time to stop stalling, stop hustling, and start delivering. Until then, we're over here roasting y'all for fun because at least the fire over here is real.